everyone, welcome back to Shiva Tarot and Guidance. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today's reading is for Scorpio, that is Vrishchik Rashi, and then we will pull out some Shiva messages and guidance for you guys. So let's start. So guys, let me pull out some Shiva messages for you guys. Scorpio. Scorpio, you may be dealing with strong Leo and Gemini. I can see fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so this much sign is available here. So, your person is stuck or trapped in a situation, I feel like. Or he has surrendered to take any action towards you. What I feel, Scorpio. Your person has left you and walked away. Maybe he is not sure about you and this relationship. The way he has planned your relationship is not working out. This could be the situationship with him or you. I think you need to step outside yourself, and look situation from different perspective. If you are not happy, better walk away. What I feel. I can see that you people, Scorpio, have suffered a lot. So I would suggest that walk away if you can't resist this situation. Or otherwise, focus on the positive aspect of your relationship. Okay? As he is your past life soulmate, I can see he's your past life soulmate. You're dealing with your soulmate in this birth also. He is so much obsessed about you. He's passionate about you. He is so much, you can say he is totally attached to you. But only thing is not taking any action for you guys, okay? He is not at all taking any initiative towards you for now. And so if you want, definitely he is going to come back to you. No doubt he is going to come back. After getting his lessons, he will come back to you. Otherwise, you can walk away. What I suggest you, see, if the situation works in control of you and him, if you believe that this relation should be given a chance, definitely you should stay and wait for them to come. Or otherwise, take your own actions. Okay, so this could be the situation for Scorpio. Okay, moving on to career. You are so innocent and I would say a bit careless towards your career, I feel. You are indecisive of which proposal to accept and which direction to go. You are in the state of yourself that you are not recognizing what situation you're going through, what proposals are coming towards you, opportunities are coming towards you, but you are unaware of it, you are neglecting it, you are enjoying your own time. You are lost in your comfort zone, where you are not taking any opportunity that comes on your way. You may be hoping for best time and proposal. But what I feel, then and only this is the time. You can't go for tomorrow, you can't go for the next second, you can't go for the next birth. No, this is the time. You have to take initiate for now only. This is the situation. Take the leap of the faith and start something with small. You need not to wait for big things, big opportunities to come towards you. Take small things, take baby steps and initiate. You will have still having a lot of options in your career. I can see you have that big opportunities also, but you were keep on going, rejecting and neglecting it. So don't do it. Take it and use it. You need only to believe yourself, believe your inner strength, and you have great new year ahead in 2020-22 Scorpio. I wish you all the best for you guys. Messages are: donate your belongings to charities, they will love you for this. So if you're having any kind of belongings to at your home which is not of use to you, so please donate those to the needy one. They will definitely endorse you a lot of blessings, and this will eradicate blockage from your way. So it's a very nice message from Shivai. Very nice. Second message is: think 5 times when you spend your money on or used on good deeds. See, here Shiva is saying, if you are having any kind of unnecessary expense, or you are spending your money to the things which is not of more importance to you, so don't do it. Okay, use it in the best and effective things instead of wasting it. Very nice. So your last message is: be grateful and appreciation will be mutual. Okay, be grateful for everything you are having, these opportunities, these blessings you are having in this birth. So be grateful, and definitely your all blockages and shortcomings will eradicate as soon as possible. And I wish you all the very best for the new year 2020-22. And guys, if this video resonates to you, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.